In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your VivaCut app to the latest version. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with VivaCut app, then you need to go ahead and update your app. You can easily do this on App Store if you are using iPhone, or Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone. So for my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how you can update this VivaCut app. To start, go to Play Store and then tap on it to open. And then under search, go ahead and type in the name of your app. And as you can see, our app is here and it is currently installed. So if you proceed and tap on it, you can see we have the option here to open and uninstall. To update our app, we need to have an option here to update. So if you don't see the option to update, it means you are using the latest version of VivaCut app, and therefore you don't need to update anything. However, if you see we have update written here, now proceed and tap on it, and then this will update your VivaCut app to the latest version. So once it is updated, now you have the latest version of VivaCut, and now you can start using it with the latest features. So that's how you update your VivaCut app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.